All right, so this fire's been burning for about 5 to 10 minutes. I can hear it cracking and popping inside, and I can see that heat dial up on the chimney moving into that ideal orange temperature. So I know this fire is doing well, but if I open this door and just show you just how good of a fire we've got. When you're opening the door, always use the end of the handle with this metal coil. Never touch the door handle closer to the inside, and absolutely never touch the fire or the wood stove when it's in operating temperature. That fire is going real hot. So the next thing we're gonna do, because this fire is already burning at its ideal temperature, is we're gonna go up to the dial on the flue and we're just gonna dial it back a little bit. Right now it's fully open. I'd say we're gonna bring it down to about half. That will extend the fire's burn time and increase the heat inside the wood stove, which then radiates into the house. All right, that's pretty much it. So the next thing you gotta do is, just to keep this fire going, is go out back and collect more oak logs. And every once in a while, open this door and toss one or two of them inside. If you're going for an overnight burn, I'd recommend closing that damper pretty much all the way, and then loading in about 2 to 3 big oak logs right before bedtime. That's gonna give you the longest burn time. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on the app, or my number is posted on the front door, so give me a ring.